Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm at a garage sale on Gull Road. Serious amounts of stuff. And what do we have here? Probably in pretty sad shape. Oh yeah, this is shredded. Somebody's been using this for a scrap hauler. Not anywhere near repairable. That's a hose for a chipper. Good morning. Good afternoon, I guess it is.
I was just saying, what time is it? I don't even know anymore.
Heck, I don't know. It's on here, but it's
How you doing today?
pretty good.
Any questions?
Not yet. I'm just starting to look.
Go inside the garage.
Oh, gang reel mowers. Those are kind of cool. Old fuel oil stove. We used to heat the house out on Messenger Lake with a little fuel oil furnace like that one. And my grandfather's house in Coldwater had one too. Barber chair. Biodex Medical Systems. Oh, cool little machinery stand. I don't see any prices. You're probably just now setting up, right?
Sorry?
You're just now setting up. You don't have prices out yet?
I'm not even going to have too much stuff to price.
Okay.
Just holler. I'm just trying to get as much out as I can.
Sound like a plan.
I wish I could be better. I apologize.
That's okay.
There's some whiskey jugs in the garage.
Oh, sure. I was hanging in my granddad.
Piles of stuff.
heard the price of scrap is high right now.
Yeah, $185 a ton.
Anyway. Boy, this was a long time ago.
They still use those at all?
Premix tanks? I don't think so. I used to work for Coca-Cola.
Ah.
Here he goes up and downstairs.
Oh, that sounds like a fun job.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, I delivered refrigerators, washing machines, freezers, and TVs to third-floor apartments with walk-ups.
Yeah, this is Coca-Cola premix tanks. They're 55 pounds each.
Oh, when we were younger, right?
Yeah. But there were a ton of us around then, you know. How old are you?
Just 2 months from 70.
Okay, yeah. I'm 73. Same age.
Funny, you know, when I think of somebody who was 70 years old, I think of my grandfather walking around stove up. I'm going, I don't feel like that.
Oh, well, you're lucky. Thank you.
Ah, pool player.
No, I work at a bar.
Oh, even better.
Yeah, we can use stick.
Yep.
Did you pay for the little? I'm gonna give you money right now.
$1 bill? $3.
$3.
That was hanging in Grandma's kitchen.
See, that's right.
That's kind of sentimental.
There you go, sweetie. Thank you. You're welcome. Appreciate you. We'll be back. We'll probably come right back.
Oh, you're fine.
And you're the one with the Crocs now.
Yes.
Yes. We'll probably just come back this way.
Yeah.
All right?
I might be right back in a couple hours or something. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
If they come back, it's $150 and you get off 6 or 7 cracks.
Okay.
Well, that explains that. That's the right size. And there's an old 1 gallon. Both same size cap.
having fun?
Oh yeah, always. Kind of reliving my childhood. Half this stuff I bought when it was new.
Yeah, that's about right. I bet you don't have it anymore.
No. Nope. When you downsize and move to a smaller home, you sell off everything and then you spend the rest of your life collecting it back.
Yeah. Boy, you have some outlook. You live in Colorado?
Nope. I have a Colorado truck. My wife bought me the hat when I got the truck.
Okay.
So there's, this is lovely. So there's stuff in here. Just what's in there? Okay. All right.
Hello.
Hi. You picked a beautiful day.
Isn't it nice?
Oh, yeah. I just know what's going to happen soon, though.
Piles and piles of stuff. It's funny how these things are collectible now. 5 of them every time you change the oil in the truck. Man, I bet that is a beast. Interesting, but nothing that I need. Yep. Nothing that I need. Cool stuff though. Oh, there's lots of stuff that I want. If I had room to put it, I'd probably get it. But you know how that goes. What are you going to do with it once you got it home? Gets stacked up in the backyard like it was here, and somebody has a garage sale and all this stuff gets sold, but you don't care because you're not there for it. Milton driveway signal. And a baby swing. And that is old. Fun looking around, but not buying anything. Don't need any more of it. Got plenty. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know, I read them all. Lots of road noise. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.